Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following represents the skills needed that a service mapping administrator or implementer should have? Choose 4. Option A. Understanding of XML, regex, delimited text, and JSON. Option B. Understanding of protocols such as HTTP, TCP, SNMP, SOAP, and REST. Option C. Scripting capabilities with respect to Unix and Windows commands. Option D. Intermediate or above Windows and Unix administration skills. Option E. Sufficient skills to build an enterprise website. Option F. Understanding of relational database theory. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Understanding of XML, regex, delimited text, and JSON. Option B. Understanding of protocols such as HTTP, TCP, SNMP, SOAP, and REST. Option C. Scripting capabilities with respect to Unix and Windows commands. Option D. Intermediate or above Windows and Unix administration skills. Question 2. Which one of the following ServiceNow application KPIs would improve most as a direct result of having visibility to a service map created through service mapping? Option A. Problem management. Number of incidents per known problem. Option B. Incident management. Mean time to resolve. Option C. Event management. Signal to noise ratio. Option D. Change management. Number of major changes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Incident management. Mean time to resolve. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.